homie, it's true. Between me and you, it's only $5 and watch what they do. Let's get high, lose track of time. Come on, man, you know I'm a damn good time. Yo, they're gonna post it, no clothing. Oh my God, so exposed and everything. You might as well see everything. Every inch, never leave, we're growing need. Wait, me, you should DM, be friends, pretend. The boyfriend, the deep end, she needs men, she needs you and your dues. Get out of my head, get out of my mind. I need to focus, I'm wasting my time. You make me feel hopeless, I'm wasting my prime. Fuck it, I'm going to war with my mind. I'm in control, my body and soul. Never again will you ever take hold. I've got a purpose outside of this hole, and I'll turn this feeling into something more. I could change, rearrange my brain. Thoughts and energy push through pain. Loneliness is a passing phase. A better life, it starts today. Once hopeless and broken, now I'm in motion. Just gotta stay focused. Keep moving, keep growing. Never look back, got a new path chosen.
When we are weak, when we are broken, that's when we're left open. In darkness, eyes, all of our flaws that keep us hopeless. Numb our minds and choke us. For I'm in control. I'll fight, taking off. I'll climb out this hole. I'll find in my soul. Rewrite control.
Someone to see the recliner action.
Hey man, where'd you go? We used to have fun, hang out and smoke. Watch a little you know what a show. Drink a little bit of this, little that to cope. Yeah, wait, we used to have fun, right? Sleep in short days, but the long nights. You always love to go play, what a fun guy. But now you seem so lame, what a shame, right? Hey, come back, let's get high. We can have another run like the good times. We can have a little fun, just free climb, me time. Hit over the wheel, you'll be just fine. Yeah, you know I'm always here for you. Life gets hard, there's a lot of fear for you. You know I can make it all disappear for you. Only one time, you'll be fine, man, I'll cheer for you. No, I don't wanna get back to a place that I really don't like, so I really gotta go. All the thoughts in the back of my mind, they be bigger at night when the dark takes hold. Gotta make my way to the light, feeling better inside every time I say no. I'm in motion, yeah, I've chosen different path, but we rapidly have control. I'm back, baby, better than ever, no drag. Taking back everything I lacked lately. Feel like me, I'm back, crazy. I took all that pain, put that energy to change. I will never be the same, I will never be the same.
When we are weak, when we are broken, that's when we're left open. In darkness, eyes, all of our flaws that keep us hopeless. Numb our minds and choke us. But I'm in control. I'll fight, taking off. I'll climb out this hole. I'll find in my soul. Rewrite control.
I got this hunger inside of me, violently scratching and clawing. The scars multiplying, I need something more in this life. It ain't finding me, fuck it, I'm done being silent. You see, I need purpose, a reason to think that it's all fucking worth it. A reason to wake up and live in this circus. A reason to fight all my visceral urges. Growing up, never felt like I fit in. I still don't, but it's better when I get wins. On stage, looking out at my best friends. We gon' get real loud till the night ends. I get pissed that I still don't have a top 10. It's a fucking boys club at the top then. Like I bracket haze just to get in. I ain't doing that shit, I don't pretend. Yeah, I wanna be the best. Always had a drive that I had to beat the rest. Yeah, dedication, it takes smarts. It takes fucking hard work and a full heart. They ain't see the work that I put in. They just see a rock star with a big grin. That's cool, I don't need recognition. I just wanna be free, that's a must win. Try me in a race, I'm a custom. If the money hot, tell them I'm a bustin'. I don't understand, hate all the bustin'. Get a job, get a life, go do something. 5 a.m. and nobody see the word that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst, I can feel it in my
Up to Kathy and wait, make sure everybody makes it through that little section. See you, Paul.
friends. And overnight success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this anger inside of my veins, pumping adrenaline when I feel pain. I don't know why I was born with this, I feel so torn and shit, I can't ignore it, yeah. I wanna punch till my knuckles are bleeding. I want your best, so when I win, you're defeated. Go ahead, think that my kindness is weakness. I'll use that naiveness. I got a disease and it's choking and squeezing me. I cannot sleep till I get what I'm seeking. Need every dream in my mind be completed. I live for competing. It gives me a reason to live, a reason to get up again and again, a reason to wake up at 5 a.m. I need it to keep me from sinking. I swim if I didn't. I fear I would become an inch. I don't ever limit. If I want it, then I'll get it. Never quit it. I'ma win it in every single minute. Hit it every single inning. Get it once again and again. And I'm living for the moment. If I want it, then I'll own it. Like I feel it in my stomach. But I'm
No, that's smart.
Shit, I'm sorry, guys. No, they're still going and they were filming.
Set me free, show me the way. Show me the way, set me free.
Thank you.
Lock in, gotta stay locked in, Goggins. Gotta ball out like Robin. Straight to the top, I'm all in. Ordinary's like a toxin. I don't wanna be like Robin. I just wanna leave no option. Fuck caution, I ain't gonna be common. I got the confidence, like I'm on this shit, like I'm the baddest bitch in the club. I'm in for dominance, I'm being honest, that's what I want. I'll never give up. I want the